was considering just putting a small circle hook on, not even using the jig, just to let them free swim. Here.
I feel like if it's not shrimp or a mushroom, everything dies in like 3 seconds.
I got the perfect size one. Not too big, not too small. Nice. Nice red. That's a good one. Or maybe catch and release?
Spring ice.
That's a good fish. That's a 20-incher. He's a lot bigger than the ones we were catching last time in Ozello.
Yeah.
Double. That puny little thing. Is that even a red? Yeah, a little dink. It is a red though. Right species, wrong size.
2 in a row. So I think it might be the same fish.
You're using them tiny little mohair. They don't want my cut mullet yet. Trying different techniques, see what works. My good red was on a big mohair, like a big white pilcher.
Stop.
Acting like a cat. Every time I call it. Every time I say cat, it turns into a cat. Or I said catfish.
Not huge, but stop it.
Redfish right in the cove. He hasn't splashed yet though. He's diving like a cat. He had a freaking big cat on the mud minnow.
Seriously? Why did it beat me like that?
That's funny. Fish on a swim bait. Look at you. He chased it all the way to the boat.
Yeah, he did.
Little guy. Got one on artificial.
Sure it's a fish?
Yeah, it's a fish, dude. He's running. There you go. It doesn't feel very big either. He's fighting like a stingray.
Alright, let's go because we have more mullet.
Yeah, and he was right here in this cut. Nice fish. Alright, get up here and fight him with me. I'll chase him. Haven't you seen this fish? Oh, there's a swirl. It's definitely a big fish. Come on, be a drum. I still haven't seen him. He's towing us. Come on, lift. Big fish. They fight harder than mahi.
God. Dude, I've never
He's going back to where he started, dude. It's definitely a drum.
The only thing I've ever fought like this was like 30. This is like ridiculous.
Oh, I just saw his tail. This is a good sized fish, dude. You're gonna get a good picture of him. We need to hurry up and get this fish landed so you don't break the line. Do I need to go to him and just grab him?
Oh my God. Yes, take it back.
Yeah, you gotta hold the reel, dude. That's the only way to fight these fish. Hold the reel, lift, reel down. Slowly though, nice and slow. Don't drop the rod so fast. Nice and easy. Just like that. Slowly reel down. Stop giving him slack. Lift slow. Put your finger on the reel. Lift slow. There he is. Big drum. I still really haven't gotten a real. Oh, that was big fish, dude. Alright, bring him up here. Toad.
Oh my God.
Oh, he snagged, dude.
Oh my God. Dude.
He snagged in the side.
Oh my God. Dude, I am so happy we came back up. You should actually eat the mullet.
He didn't eat the mullet, he got snagged. I think he was swimming by and it got his fin. cut mullet, 50-pound drum. I don't even think we really caught the fish. He got snagged in the flipper. Thing's a beast. Bear hugging a dinosaur. Alright, hold him out. Come on, you got him.
This fucking thing is massive.
Go on, hold him out. That'll be a decent shot, but I want to see him look. Thing's a beast. Alright, hold. Back in the water. Luke with his first monster drum. Thing's bigger than he is.
Just about.
Peaceful. You're slimy as hell.